Welcome back everyone to another tutorial on Tableau. This series of videos will help you take your skills from beginner to expert level in Tableau. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. In today's session, we will see how to display header on top of bar in Tableau. You must have noticed that while creating a bar chart, we get the headers at the bottom of each of the bar. So in this session, we will see how we can bring those headers from the bottom to the top of each of the bar. Now let's jump to Tableau. Here I have a bar chart that shows sales for different categories. Now suppose if you want this header to be displayed on top of these bars, then you can go to analysis, then from here go to table layout, select advanced and uncheck this option show innermost level, click on OK. Now you will see that we are getting the category header on the top of these bars. So this was a quick tip that I wanted to discuss in this session. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this session was helpful. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon if you do not want to miss such useful content in the future. See you in the next tutorial.